Since I really don't want to go to bed angry, the only thing I can do is hope to God that what I'm about to say makes me feel better. So, yesterday it was my mother's birthday. It's actually after midnight as of me posting this. And for her birthday, I got her a card, a dozen roses, and some of her favorite candies, specifically peanut butter M&Ms and those Lindor white chocolate truffles. I posted it and, just say, happy birthday, Mom, I love you. And someone, I'm not going to say who, said that what I did was less than a thought-driven gift. First of all, that's my mom, not yours. What I did for her was more than what anyone else did. And third, my mom worked all day and came home so sick and so tired that we almost didn't get to sing happy birthday to her. Really, bro?